Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
In fact, for yesterday to today, even for the tomorrow that I don't know, I'm sure for what he has been doing and for what he has done today, tomorrow is only going to be better than this. I thank Almighty God. And I don't want to start thanking because I will not stop. And after that, I thank my small brother, Oluomo family and the wife. And the family. Followed by K1, the ultimate by God to his stage, I have to share tears because I cannot do by myself. For what I had to do, overwhelming speech from the K1 to the KBC to Oluomo family. And today I was also pronounced that I become a chief in Makomi, Ijebuland, and which K1 said in the conference that today chief has been added to my name. My brother, what can I say? What can I say? I can't thank Almighty Allah enough, even from those I've mentioned to Saheed Osupa, to Akawewe, to Sauti Arewa, to Umuniyas, to Aruli Sambo. In fact, to Atorishi, I can't stop mentioning. And we had what K1 said about his relationship with Saheed Osupa. How God made it possible through me, but not through me to God. And overwhelmed. There's no way I want to write my history. That this fellow will not be in my biography. Particularly King Wasim Adimasha, K1 the ultimate. I never knew he has been watching me ever since I started my first publication. That he advised me, don't take after your ex-boss where you are coming from. Don't do much of scandal stories. Do more of PR stories. Don't destroy people's lives. Don't destroy yours. I thank God. And I thank everybody. I can't start mentioning names. Everybody that has come to this party, even for those that are not here for one or two reasons that they didn't make up here today. I thank everybody. For those who has contributed. In fact, I also want to thank somebody so special that came right away from Abuja because of this event. The chairman and CEO of Apake group of company who is into real estate, popularly called Apashe. CEO Apashe Ismail Layemi, who came right away from Abuja because of this event. I can't thank everybody enough. Just that I would have appreciated a lot of people, or some people rather, with award, but time does not permit. But I promise they will get their award, because I will make sure I take the award to everyone of them. They have supported me, they have been with me from years back, and I have to give return for those who have been with me from years back. This is not our usual Islanders annual award, but this is our award to appreciate those who have been with us in the last 10 years. They are just 7 in number, and we are going to appreciate them for what they have been doing. And I also thank my colleagues. I'm overwhelmed. I also thank my colleagues who all came out in thousands, because I won't say in numbers, in thousands. I'm overwhelmed with numbers of journalists, junior, senior colleagues. Even my guy is here, Dr. Sheyeke Ili, my former boss, is here today. I thank God. Shebo Google that I've never seen for years. The publisher of Global News is here today because of our Islanders and Oluomo. Femi Davis is here. I can't be mentioning names of the bosses. Present because of Oluomo. My brother, let me stop here. I thank Almighty God and I thank everybody. And I also want to thank my beautiful wife who has been in support. For the days I will not come home, for the days I will tell him I'm on my way home. All of a sudden I have a call for a job and I'll tell him I'm not coming home. She's a wife. Like I used to call her Apoke. kò ṣeun àjèrè ṣe ọwọ́ ẹ̀wà gbẹ̀jì God Almighty and our God for what he has done in the family. Thank everybody that have said. Thank you. And there's somebody too I need to thank. Sorry, that is the person of the entertainment editor, who is also the director of Islanders Events and Party, Adiola Pujenya. I thank her so much. She has been doing so wonderful in the organization, in the company. She has been doing so wonderful. I thank her so much. We also started together, and I thank her so much for her patience, perseverance, and endurance. I thank her so much. Okay, there's more to it, but let me keep that for now. Thank you. Thank you.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.